for revenge. I just wanted to let my former best friend know that I know that she didn't travel to the east for Valentine's Day. She's a fan of I Said What I Said and listens. Shisha also knows herself. The one that kissed my older brother on my birthday when his wife was at the party. You know you're...
I want to try it. I think it's gonna be absolutely lovely. This has me on chocolate. I'm eating like, I don't even know how many now. I want to taste this just to see how it tastes. I mean, I can imagine this with yogurt.
Alright guys.
But it's not on it now.
Is it?
Okay.
It's on the first fire. Okay. Mr. Kenneth, you know you are the best. You don't know. I don't need to tell you now.
Our gas usage will increase now. Mr.
Well,
Kenneth
go
will
faster.
Mr. Kenneth will be coming here every 2 weeks. We're able to
These people give me a headache because
What's this now? Okay, that picture, is there anyone that relates?
none, for goodness sake,
Like, I don't understand.
none.
This is what you use for us now that we say we don't want.
None of the one you use for us is here.
This one even looks a bit.
because I've been very, very bored. I don't know. Exhausting, to be honest. So one thing I've noticed is that every time I'm on leave, Nepa decides to do its own shit. Like the last time I was on leave, Nepa did his shit. And now I'm on leave, Nepa is doing his shit again. And now everywhere is annoying me because once there's no light, I don't function properly. That's just basically it. I don't function properly. Anyways, let me stop rambling. See you guys. Your personality, no matter at all. Ready, so. My Odile Grace. Say hi to my YouTube. Bye.